question which based on properties of triangle exercise 6.2, and also we have solved many questions from this exercise, and today we shall solve last question from this. Okay, and after this we shall start the new topic which is known as Pythagoras theorem. I will explain the Pythagoras theorem in my next video. Till then, let us see this question. There is a question: in a triangle, ABC, there is a point O. Join this point, join this point to all vertices, all vertices of the triangle. Then show that then show that OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 upon 2 AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, student. So this is the question, and we have to prove that OA plus OB plus OC is greater than half of the sum of all sides of the triangle. Okay. So let us start the solution of this question. So in order to solve the question, first of all, let's draw the figure. There is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC, and there is a point O. And now join this point O to all vertices like this. Here we have joined O to the all vertices of the triangle. Then we get three. Then we get three triangle here. Okay. Now let us solve. Let us write them. Okay, student. Let's see. Okay. Now here we write solution. Let's see its solution. In the figure, we have three triangles. The first triangle is OAC. This is the first triangle, OAC. The second triangle is OBC. OBC is the second triangle you can see as. If you hide this, then you will get OBC is the second triangle. And the last is OAB. OAB is the third triangle. So here we get three triangles, and from each triangle we apply the third property of the triangle. And the third property says that the sum of two sides will always greater than the third side. Okay? So using this property we can prove our hypothesis. So let's see. Here we write to prove that OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 by 2 AB plus BC plus AC. This we have to prove. So here we write in triangle OAC. We write from triangle OAC. We get what we get here? We get that AC is less than OA plus OC. The side AC is less than the sum of the side OA plus OC. So I write here, and this is the condition first. Similarly, in triangle OBC, let's see in the triangle OBC, from the triangle OBC, what we get? Let us see. In the triangle OBC, we get BC is less than the sum of OB plus OC, and give the name its second condition. Okay? From two triangles we get two conditions. Now let us see in the third triangle. In triangle in the triangle OAB. Let's see from the triangle OAB we get AB is less than. Okay, student, let's see. Here in the triangle OAB, we get AB is less than OA plus OB. This is the condition 3. So in order to find our result, we have to add these three conditions. So let us add them. We write here. So we write here adding 1, 2, and 3 wickets. When we add, we get AB plus BC plus AC is less than. First of all, we write on the left side of the three conditions, that is AB plus BC plus AC, and this value is smaller than OA plus OC, OA plus OC plus OB plus OC, OB plus OC, and the third and last is OA plus OB plus OA plus OB. And after solving this, we get the left side will remain constant, AB plus BC plus AC, and this will less than. Student, just focus here, then you will find that on the right hand side you can see that OA and OA. There are two OA, so when we add them, we get 2 times of OA plus similarly OC, OC OC will equal to 2OC, and the last is OB and OB 2OB. Or here we can see that in all terms 2 is common, so we can write AB plus BC plus AC is less than 2 times of OA plus OB plus OC. Or we can write OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 by 2. Here you can see that 2 is multiplied with this term. So when 2 goes to the left side, become divided, and then we get AB plus BC plus AC. And this is our required result that we have to find. So student, let's see once again and try to understand what I say here. The question was, in a triangle ABC, there is a point O. And now join the point O with all vertices of the triangle. So here, when we join all vertices with O, we get like this figure. And in this figure, we have three triangles, and for all triangles, we have applied the property 3. And by applying the property, we get OA plus, sorry, AC is less than OA plus OC, that is equation 1 from the triangle OAC. Now in the triangle OBC, we get BC is less than OB plus OC, that is the second condition. And in the triangle OAB, we get OB plus OA. OB is less than OA plus OB. And now adding these three conditions, we get AB plus BC plus AC is less than OA plus OC plus OB plus OC plus OA plus OB. In the right side, we can see that each three terms are 2 times. So when we add, we get this condition, and taking common as 2, we get 2 times OA plus OB plus OC, and now transfer 2 to the left side. Here it is multiplied, so when it goes to the left side, become divided, and at last we get our required result. Okay student, so this is the solution of the given question, and I hope it is clear to all. In my next video, I will start a new topic that is known as the Pythagoras theorem. Till then, goodbye.